Easter greetings on this Wednesday of Catholic Education Week. Today, our word is restore. When you think of the word restore, we might think of an artisan working to restore a damaged painting that hangs in a museum. Or we might think of a restoration company that helps to restore people's homes after they've been damaged in natural disasters, floods, tornadoes, or fires. It assumes that what was damaged was worthwhile, and that there is value in bringing it back to its original shape. The scripture passage for today comes from 1 Peter chapter 5, verse 10. The God of all grace will restore, support, strengthen, and establish you. Peter assures his readers that even though they are suffering and have been hurt, that God will not abandon them, that there is no end to God's grace and the wonders which that grace can do. God's grace is able to restore us to wholeness. God's grace is able to support us. God's grace is able to strengthen us in our weakness. And God's grace is able to establish us on sure footing when we feel unsure or uncertain. Wow, that's awesome. And it really is an injection of hope for me as I pray for all of us this day. How may we be in need of restoration? Let's think about that for a moment. What does God need to support, strengthen, and establish in us? What was in place before, but now is in need of being restored? How am I being called to allow God's grace to work in my life? And how is God calling me to be an instrument of grace in the life of someone around me? Let's ask the risen Jesus to help us to have determination, dedication, and resolve, to restore what was damaged or destroyed. Once there was a leper who came to Jesus and knelt before him saying, "Lord, if you choose to, you can make me clean." Of course, Jesus did choose to restore him to health. How do I see God restoring our communities? How am I, or how is someone that I know, restoring the community? Please be willing to share that with us by using the hashtag #SentToBuild. And have an awesome WCDSB Catholic Education Week. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 4 of Catholic Education Week.